In a world where precision is paramount, measuring the hardness of rubber can be a game changer. This seemingly minute detail can be the determining factor between a car tire that grips the road securely and one that skids dangerously. It can be the difference between a rubber seal that withstands pressure and one that buckles under it. The standard test method for rubber property, Durometer hardness, also known as ASTM D2240, is one such method that engineers and scientists use to measure rubber hardness. It's based on the penetration of a specific type of indenter when forced into the material under specified conditions. The indentation hardness is inversely related to the penetration and is dependent on the elastic modulus and viscoelastic behavior of the material. This method is unique and stands apart from other methods of measuring hardness. For instance, it's not equivalent to other indentation hardness methods and instrument types, specifically those described in test method D1415. The geometry of the indentor and the applied force influence the measurements, meaning no simple relationship exists between the measurements obtained with one type of durometer and those obtained with another type of durometer or other instruments used for measuring hardness. The importance of the ASTM D2240 method in the industry cannot be overstated. It covers 12 types of rubber hardness measurement devices known as durometers, types A, B, C, D, DO, E, M, O, OO, OO, OOS, and R. It's used for determining indentation hardness of substances classified as thermoplastic elastomers, vulcanized thermoset rubber, elastomeric materials, cellular materials, gel-like materials, and some plastics. However, it's not applicable to the testing of coated fabrics. In the world of material science, ASTM D2240 is a trusted standard, with all materials, instruments, or equipment used for the determination of mass, force, or dimension having traceability to the National Institute for Standards and Technology, or other internationally recognized organizations parallel in nature. The ASTM D2240 test method is empirical, intended primarily for control purposes. It does not provide a simple relationship between indentation hardness and any fundamental property of the material tested. For specification purposes, it is recommended that test method D785 be used for materials other than those described. In conclusion, the ASTM D2240 test method is more than just a method of measuring hardness. It's a testament to the importance of precision in the industry, a tool that helps ensure safety and efficiency in a myriad of applications. As we strive to improve and innovate, it serves as a reminder of the importance of the seemingly small details that can make a big difference.